Good morning, children. I'm Siju Patros. Today, we are going to study Civics, Chapter 2, Diversity and Discrimination. The topics for today are 1. Prejudice 2. Stereotype 3. Inequality and Discrimination. Children, in the first chapter, we learned India display much diversity. Diversity means differences. Every person is unique and we should recognize the individual differences. The differences can exist along with the dimensions of race, gender, geographical area, language, custom, culture, religion. In India, many different languages are spoken. Many different religious people live together like Hindus, Muslims, Sikh, Jain, Christians, Parsis, Buddhists and many more. Let us begin with the first topic, prejudice. Prejudice means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. We meet many different people and we feel them strange and unfamiliar. We don't know the reason why they are different from us, but we are quick to have an opinion about them if we don't like them. Like one language is best and the other languages are not important. So we give preference to one language thinking this is the good language and the other language is not very good. Many people behave rudely with their servants, thinking them as they are illiterate or they live in unhygienic conditions. Many people judge other people by the skin color, religion, or the clothes worn. It's the standard of living is judged. They are being judged by the religion or the language they spoke. Thus, prejudice means to judge other people negatively or see them as inferior. The next topic is the stereotype. Conventional or general images created by the society for the purpose of categorizing an individual or a group, place of origin, sex, race, background. Children, many a time we have seen people saying, boys don't cry. Thus, boys have a feeling that whatever happened, they should not cry. It is a weakness. And on the other side, girls can cry as they are considered weak by the society. Thus, hearing always to boys do not cry and girls cry, we start to believe in that without even thinking about it. Thus, that is a stereotype. Like a fixed idea or a belief about a specific group of individual or things that is based on prior assumptions. Like the background of a person, the judgment is done by looking at the background of a person, the race of the person or the person from where he belongs to. These all fixed idea about a society or about a group of people is called the stereotype. People living in village are considered as backwards and illiterate. Many a time mentally or physically disabled children. This term has been changed and now the term used is children with special needs. So the children with special needs get less importance. So this is also a stereotype image. Our next topic is inequality and discrimination. Inequality comes when a person does not have the resource and opportunities that are available to the other person. Like we have seen in the previous chapter, Samir 1 and Samir 2. One Samir was from a poor family, the other Samir was a rich Samir. One Samir knew how to read and write, the other Samir, he was uneducated. So here both the Samir had a different personality. Both the Samir had different opportunities. So why is this? Because there was an inequality. Here it is a form of inequality. Many a times people who are poor, they face this inequality. They have less opportunities open. Children, discrimination is the practice of treating one person or group of people less fairly than the other people. Discrimination happens when people act on their prejudice or stereotypes. Sometimes few people are treated as inferior. As we know, in the Vedic age, people were classified into 4 major varnas: the Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas and the Shudras. The Brahmins were considered next to God. The Shudras were given all the labor class work. All the low status work in the society was done by the Shudras. Then this system gave rise to casteism, and then untouchability started. So many a times discrimination happens, like the people who are engaged in one type of work, their children is going to follow only the work which was done by their father. We have seen inequality and discrimination. So inequality gives rise to discrimination. Like the Dalits, we had seen the Shudras. They are considered as untouchables. Now this untouchable people or the lower class people were given a name called Dalits. So Dalit is the term used for people who belong to the lower class. They were stopped from using any other people's well or from entering into the temple. These Dalits were isolated due to the prejudice and discrimination. Discrimination takes place because of several reasons. One of them is no religion asks people to be unfair and unjust to certain people. Some people believe their religion is superior to others' faith. So this is a kind of discrimination which is happening between the religions. But none of the religions say that we need to be superior or this religion is superior than the other religion. The poor class people, they face discrimination in schools, hospitals, offices. Like some poor class, they go to the hospital. They do not get the good kind of treatment, like how the rich people go and what luxurious treatment they get. But the poor people, when they go to the hospitals, they have to stand in lines. Many times the poor people, when they go for some kind of office work, they need to go to any office to get their work done. There also some kind of discriminations happen. In the same way, there is gender discrimination also. they do not get equal rights in the society, like girl child and the boy child. Many a time a girl is not given equal rights just like the boys. Some people experience both kind of discrimination. They come from a poor background and they belong to a group which are not valued. So this kind of people, the tribals we can say, they come from a group where they are not valued. The tribals are not considered from a high class society, and they are poor also. So they have to experience both the kind of discrimination. Children, let us revise few important points we learned today. Diversity is the state or fact of being different and unique. To judge other people negatively or see them as inferior is called as prejudice. Stereotype is a fixed idea about a particular type of person or thing which is often not true in reality. Inequality means lacking equality, either economic or social or both. Discrimination is when people are not treated equal on the basis of caste, color, religion, sex, etc. Children, to solve the assignment for today, please read your chapter. Today's assignment, fill in the blanks. 1. There are dash major religions in India. 2. Discrimination happens when people act on their dash. 3. Fixing people into an image is called dash. 4. Dash means to judge other people negatively or seeing other people as inferior. 5. India is a country which is full of dash. With this, we complete today's class. Thank you. Take care.